When we talk about being in the mood and translating those feelings into action, have you noticed why the body heats up? Why is this warmth necessary? It's often said that unless your partner is fully engaged and in the mood, the experience may lack satisfaction or fulfillment. This is because their body doesn't release the hormones required for pleasure and satisfaction. So why does the body heat up, and why is it so fascinating? Let's discuss. If you find this topic interesting, make sure to watch this video until the end. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected for more such content. When we talk about body heat and excitement, it's important to understand the role of hormones. As soon as you engage in intimate activities or get into the mood, your body starts releasing hormones like adrenaline and testosterone. These hormonal changes make your body warm and active. Your breathing becomes faster, and the intensity of these hormones prepares your body to either give or receive with full energy. One critical aspect of physical arousal is the increase in blood flow, which plays a vital role in intimacy. When blood flow increases, especially toward the private areas, it enhances the physical responses. For men, this results in the erection of the penis, while for women, the vaginal area may become engorged, reddened, or more open. This physiological response lays the foundation for a fulfilling, intimate experience. When blood flow decreases, however, it can lead to challenges. At that point, massages or even medical interventions may become necessary to address the issue. Blood flow is not only essential physically, but also psychologically. Your thoughts can trigger arousal. For instance, imagining an intimate moment or experiencing an emotionally charged situation can warm your body. This psychological arousal is comparable to moments of heightened adrenaline, like being chased by a dog or awaiting an important exam result. Natural responses also play a role. Physical touch, holding hands, caressing, or feeling the warmth of another's body can stimulate natural sensations and further increase body temperature. These responses are fundamental to creating intimacy and preparing your partner. Without proper arousal, the body may not release the natural lubricants needed for a smooth and pleasurable experience, potentially making the encounter uncomfortable or painful. This highlights why arousal techniques are essential for both men and women, contributing to a healthy and satisfying relationship. Taking the time to create the right mood and readiness ensures a mutual and enjoyable connection. I hope this explanation clears your doubts and provides helpful insights. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected for more such informative content.